We live in a world where data and information have become the building blocks of products and services offered by companies, governments, civil society. And in this world, data scientists, system engineers, and other information specialists have become the architects and builders of our future. What makes our program unique is that it educates students to become data savvy, technologically skilled, self-aware and socially responsible architects and builders of our digital society. Graduates of our master program work in a wide range of industries and public institutions where data, technological issues, societal complexities and economic interest intersect. They typically take on positions as data scientists, system engineers, information specialists, policy makers, and so on. There's a great demand for graduates of our program.
I chose the master's program in information studies because I've always been interested in media, artificial intelligence, and the way people use and are influenced by information. I also wanted to challenge myself, and I believe that Amsterdam, as a European Center for Innovation, is a great place to study such program. The things that I like the most about the program are two, actually. The first one is working with stakeholders, because I believe students get a better understanding of users and their needs with the help of stakeholders. The second thing is the personal attitude towards students by all the academic staff. They're always there to listen to your ideas and also give constructive criticism to ensure that each one of us is making an individual progress. My track consists of international students from all around the world with different backgrounds, different interests, but they all tend to work together in a group and are open to listen to each other's ideas and to accept each other's points of views. I believe that Amsterdam provides great career opportunities, so my goal after graduation is to immediately find a job in the field of information studies and gain practical experience.